Sikhi was founded by Guru Nanak Dev Ji, a spiritual teacher who was born in 1469 in the Punjab region. This formed the historic homeland for the Sikhs over the centuries that followed. Today, the majority of the global Sikh community live in India, with large diasporic communities around the world who still feel a connection to the land where Guru Nanak founded the faith. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was succeeded by 9 gurus in human form. Each one was considered to have the spirit of the Guru Nanak imbued within them. But the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, declared that after him, whenever Sikhs sought the Guru's teachings and guidance, they were to look to the Sikh scriptures. Thus, the central holy scripture, the Guru Granth Sahib, is regarded as the eternal Guru, following the lineage of the 10 human Gurus. This sacred scripture is given a central position in the Sikh place of worship, the Gurdwara, which literally means door to the Guru. Ceremonies, including admission to the community, weddings and funerals, all take place in its presence. The Guru Granth Sahib is treated as a living being, and it is worshipped during the day and ceremonially put to bed at night. The Guru Granth Sahib is central to the Sikh religious imagination. It is the foundation of the Sikh way of life, and its teachings point to an underlying unity that permeates all living beings. This unity derives from an understanding of the divine as one, stated in the Guru Granth Sahib in the verse, "My sovereign is one it is, my siblings, one only." A key manifestation of oneness in Sikhi is in the service of others and the pursuit of justice, fulfilling the belief that all are connected to the Divine One and to each other. Through these actions, the Sikh cultivates spiritual connection and gratitude to the Divine One. These themes are symbolized in the emblem of the khanda, which you might see on Sikh properties, cars and gurdwaras. The chakra, the circle, represents this perfect entire oneness of the divine. The double-edged sword running through the center represents divine knowledge, and the kirpans, the 2 curved swords, represent Miri and Piri. For Sikhs, Miri Piri expresses the unity of the worldly Miri and the spiritual Piri. In other words, the realms of religion and politics go hand in hand. Often this is represented by 2 swords and was emphasized by the 6th Guru, Guru Har Gobind Ji. Sikh history has been characterized by a series of struggles for justice, both political and social. For some Sikhs today, this has culminated in activism for a Sikh state in order for the Sikhs to express their value and sovereignty in social political form. For many Sikhs, the quest for worldly justice is expressed in the pursuit of social justice, be it fighting for human rights, justice for women, or the farming community in India.